Rhino uses two coordinate systems, a construction plane and a world coordinate system. The world coordinate system is something like your ground zero. It never changes in the three-dimensional space of the model. But we have greater flexibility with the construction plane. We can move it around in order to facilitate more accurate modeling, and that's what we'll do with this case of the rotated stair. I discovered in the last video that I have a floor plane in the way of my stair. As you kind of find these moments with your folly elements, please go ahead and correct them. I'm going to Boolean difference to get rid of this piece. So this is a good opportunity to talk about moving the construction plane as needed while you are creating the different components of your model. So if I'm looking at this condition and I know that I need to Boolean away a portion of this slab, it's a little bit difficult to figure out how to construct that rectangle. It's on an odd angle and I can't really see the object. So I'm going to move the construction plane just for the drawing of this one condition, and then I can move it back. We know where the construction plane is because we will see it as a set of organizing devices, a grid, as well as my X, Y, and Z coordinates for the particular condition and view that I am in. In the plan and perspective views, the C-plane is in a plan orientation. But if I needed to move it, I can. You will want to use the set of construction plane tools, and like the other sets of tools, we will have a couple that will allow us to do sort of shortcut moves. The first one is going to be sort of setting the C-plane origin. And so if I have gotten myself out of whack, if my C-plane has moved or I've moved it intentionally and I want to move it back to the origin, I'm going to start with that first tool. And I'm going to just go ahead and click the world view, which sort of takes it back to that ground zero. And I'm going to say the world view for the top. So now it's in its location. But for doing this kind of correction that I need to sort of fix this stair, I'm going to move the C-plane and I'm going to align it with the stair itself, so that what will happen is as I draw my rectangles, I'll be already on the kind of angle of the stair. I hid the floors so that I could see where the stair is located. So you'll want to set your C-plane origin, and instead of choosing a numeric control or the world location, let's orient it toward an object. I'm going to click the object, which it should be my stair, and it has moved the C-plane to my stair. Easy enough. So now I'll build a box that I can use to Boolean difference out the floor plane. Now when I remove the box, we'll see that I have room for the stair. So if I toggle between the top and the perspective, you'll see that that C-plane, that construction plane, is in a different location for each view. So I didn't move it in all cases. I really moved it in this top view, and I'm going to want to put that back in place. So I'm in my top view. I'm going to go back to my C-plane, choose the world location and the top. And now it has sort of gone back to my ground zero.